Please meet Junior. His ID number is A4417706. Junior is a vivacious 6-month-old neutered male blue pit bull. He was brought to the Downey shelter on April 6 as an owner surrender because the previous owner couldn't afford him anymore. Junior weighs 34 pounds. He's very energetic. He has a high energy level. Because he's a puppy, he certainly has that puppy energy and would enjoy long walks and lots of playtime. He'd be the perfect running buddy for you. Junior plays a lot. He's very lively. He gets along well with other dogs. He's great with people. Very, very friendly. The only thing is he walks okay on a leash, but he does still need a little bit of training. Junior will be a wonderful indoor pet for an active individual or family with older children. Please come down to the Downey shelter to meet Junior today.